Hello everyone, my name is Alpana. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm here to share with you a few breathing techniques. Breathing, we all breathe day in and day out. But breathing with your mind in it has a special effect on our body. This is also known as pranayama. Pranayama has a lot of benefits. First thing it does is to heal your body. We can do self-healing through pranayama. It makes our mind very positive. It also removes all the toxics from the body. It also puts a lot of oxygen into the body. So it has a lot of benefits. I will be telling you all the benefits eventually one by one. Now, let's start first with the neck exercise. For neck exercise, we need to sit in Vajrasana. Now, I'll tell you what is Vajrasana. Now, you can fold both the knees and keep one thumb above the other at the back side. If you can't sit in Vajrasana, you can always sit on a chair or you can sit comfortably on the floor, whatever is possible. Now, turn to right, slowly come to the center, then turn to left. Come back, now look up, stretch your chin. Go down, press your chin on the chest. We can do all these exercises 2 times, 4 times, whatever is possible. Now, bend, feel a nice stretch on your collarbone. Come back, other side. Feel it here. Now stretch in front, go back, press your chin on the chest. Now make a circle as big as possible. Now this is something which helps the flexibility of your neck on the other side. Come back. Now, next exercise, sit comfortably. This is known as Sukhasana. You can also sit on a chair also. Now we'll do partial breathing. First the stomach. Keep one hand on the stomach. As you breathe in, stomach comes up. Breathe out, stomach goes in. Again. Now next one, hands on your ribs. Feel the rib cage expanding. Breathe in. Relax. One more, expand and compress. Next one, keep one hand on the chest as you breathe in. One more. Open up your chest, open up your lungs. Now, the next exercise is popularly known as Kapalbhati. Today we will do little less and slowly we will increase it. So just breathe out from your nose and push your stomach in 10 times. Now here we are trying to remove all the toxics from the stomach, from your gut. Now, second one, again keep pushing your stomach in, but a little faster we'll breathe out. Faster, third variation. Take a long deep breathing. Now, I would like to tell you something called as facial yoga. Facial yoga is for your face, where you can remove your fine lines, your wrinkles. We all want to age gracefully, so we can all do this to tighten up and toning up your facial muscles also. As we do yoga for the whole body, face also needs yoga and some exercises. Now we start with the forehead. Now just keep your fingers, 3 fingers, go down and press at the edge. Again, go down, feel a nice stretch. It will de-stress your mind also, and press. Now take index finger on your eyebrows. Now make circles 1, 2 and 3. Other side 1, 2, 3. Now this is the point for your headaches, for your migraines. Now at the edge of your eyelid, make circles 1, 2, 3. This will improve the blood circulation near your eyes and also the fine lines near your eyes. Now on the socket of your eyes, make circles 1, 2, 3. Other side 1, 2, 3. The pressure should be very light, but the circles should be big. Now take 2 fingers, just press it and leave it. Press it and leave it. If you would have noticed, first fine lines come near your eyes, right? So now at the nostril, make circles 1, 2, 3. You can do this as many as times you can. 3 times. Now at the lip, this is for your laugh line. 2, 3. Press it very lightly, but make circles as big as possible. Now take 2 fingers, just press it and leave it. Press it and leave it. Press and leave it. Now take both the fingers behind the ear. Now removing all the toxics from the lymph nodes and press the collarbone. Again, go down, relax, feel the relaxation and press. Now from one side to the other, just spread, come back. Now, basically we want to tone up our cheeks and keep the cheekbones up, right? So instead allowing them to sag, we have to take it up. So puff up your cheeks one by one. Tighten up. Now both the cheeks. Use your fingertips to give a nice massage all over your cheeks. Come back. Now we'll do pout and smile, basically to help your jawline. So pout. Now next, for your double chin, look up and kiss the ceiling. Slowly come back. You will feel it at your jawline. Next one, look up again and eat. Slowly come back. Now just turn your head and bend. Slowly come back in the center. Turn your head and bend. This will help to keep your facial muscles tighten up. Slowly come back. Now, next one, what we do is Vishnu Mudra. Take ring finger and the thumb. We will do Alom Vilom. Close the left nostril. Breathe in, breathe out by the right nostril 2 times. Same thing we'll do it with the left one. This is the first part of the yoga session. So this is the first variation of Alom Vilom which I'm teaching. So right side is your sun, left side is your moon. So close the left one, breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Again. Now close the right nostril with your thumb. Now breathe in, breathe out by left 4 times, 2 times. This will relax your mind. Immediately it will help to bring down your panic, your fear, whatever you have in your mind. It will just calm down, right? Now the second variation of Alom Vilom. Close the left nostril, breathe in from right, breathe out by left. Breathe in from left, breathe out by right. Close your eyes, slowly breathe in. Slowly breathe out. So enjoy the oxygen going into your brain. So breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in from left. You can increase your cycle as many as times you can. Take a long deep breathing. Now we do something called Bhavri. Close your ears, close your eyes, tightly close your ears and make a humming sound as you breathe out. So breathe in and slowly make a humming sound and breathe out. This will de-stress your brain, your mind, and also it is very good for people who have vertigo, who have ear imbalance. For them also it is very good. So, and especially it improves your hearing power. Okay, so close your ears, close your eyes, make a humming sound. Take a long deep breathing. Now, the last one. Before we close, we will say Om twice, right? Keep Om in between your eyebrows. Now, this is the place of the pituitary gland, which helps the whole metabolism of your body. So, you can take Gyan Mudra, index finger and the thumb. Together, 3 fingers are straight. Keep your hands straight, back straight. Breathe in. Again, one more. Breathe in. Take a long deep breathing. Now just warm up your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Warm it up again. Full hand. Take it all over your face. Thank you.